So we've been talking about repainting the trailer, and whenever you repaint or paint, a lot of the silicone seals will not take paint. We need to reseal it anyway, so we're going to be using urethane. So what that means is removing at least all of the silicone spots, since it will look pretty bad if we tried to paint. It would just peel off from the silicone. So that's what we're doing. I've been removing all of this here, and then on the top we also have a lot of tears and wear and leak areas that are happening, so all that's going to get urethane sealant also. So we're also running into a lot of things like this where you can definitely tell that it's hasn't been weather sealed very well, at least for a while. So all of that needs to be done. All of this needs to be done. The rest of the roof will be sealed coming up soon. Also, part of making it weather tight is around these wheel wells. So much of this was open, so we've come back through with a 2-part isocyanate urethane foam and started to foam all this back in. So much of this liner for the fender, under fender, it's pretty hard, and we didn't want to try to remove it in any way because I think it would just fall apart or crumble. So foaming this back in seals it and makes it weather tight, and also fills in all those gaps. We'll also be using some of the foam as a glue to glue this part of the wall back together. We've already done it in many other places, especially like here. Filled it in and makes it nice and weather tight, and cleans it up, seals it, makes it nice and solid to where it's not as flimsy as this part is here. And this is one of the other fenders, the outer cowling, I guess you could call it. It was busted into 3 pieces, so been doing some fiberglass repairs to it. I'll add some more fiberglass to strengthen this up. It's like a Kydex or a formed plastic. It's not really fiberglass, but we're repairing it with polyester resin, and just doing that, we'll fill that back in and make it look nice and pretty. And same thing with this. This is a vent cover. It had fallen apart and so we put it back together and fiberglass the whole inside, and then I'm going to work on cleaning up the outside just to make it to where it's a little bit prettier, and where rain will run off of it a little bit easier also, so it's nice and smooth and won't gather dirt and grime that'll grow mold.